Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
Is we're just gonna try to navigate the rain and just go up this. Can you imagine trying to walk in that? Oh, I see. So if we can get down that way, then we're out of the rain again. Oh man, it's raining. And my goal is to go down that street right down that way. I also want to tell you all that construction. You can see all the construction over there. And you can see a lot of construction down here too. So this is actually our target street, because they're building a train line that's going to go all the way through here. So we have a nice view of it from this point. And it goes all the way down to Barra. So they're changing the street entirely. And my goal is to actually walk down that street, but it's raining so hard that it might not make any sense. But I guess we're gonna do it anyways. Man, that might not be too much fun. And along the way, we're gonna just highlight this little thing right here too. Tell you about that in a moment as well. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. So yeah, I'm kind of dreading this walk because it's really raining and I'll be exposed quite a bit to the water. But on the other hand, I do want to capture this because it is capturing it in time. And I also want to capture this little thing right here. And we are going to try to endure that water and the rain. And the only way to do that is to go down into it and leave our bridge behind. And I also want to target this little thing down here because they're going to change something in there. But this is Rua de Almirante Sérgio. And that's the part that we're not going to walk. There's some tourists right there walking in the little yeah, it's raining quite a bit. Okay, so we are going to try to navigate this water. So I guess we're going to be walking all the way down that way. Yeah, it's really sudden rain just hit really quickly. I was going to highlight that street, but I think I will not. So instead what we're going to do is we're just going to try to navigate the rain and just go up this kind of target street. It's kind of beautiful in its own way. As it's raining real hard, they have to push the water out. So you can see that right straight ahead. Well, that's really sudden rain all of a sudden. Look at that rain. Let me just kind of walk over here real quick. So you can see just how hard that rain is. Can you imagine trying to walk in that? it's about 12 o'clock noon as well. And suddenly it's quite dark outside. Oh, the rain just comes right in. Well, the whole goal of this street was to show you the goal of the street was to show the check that out, it's just raining hard. Can't really get anywhere. We're gonna go for it. So the goal of our street was to focus on this main street right here because they have they're building a train line across that. So all I can really do is just kind of give you a taste of this bigger street. I don't know how people are going around that corner. Oh, I see. So if we can get down that way, then we're out of the rain again. Oh. Okay. So we got out of the rain. For now. So my whole purpose of this particular street was to show that that this street is changing because there's building a train line that's parallel with the street. Okay, this is all dry. So basically the street that's one block over is where the train line's going to be at. Okay, now it looks like it's going to slow down. Jeez. So that will transform this street as well. So it'll be interesting to see how this transforms. This is like a pretty cool space because it's all open in the public. Okay, so we're going to keep on going down. So our goal is to, oh man. So that street one parallel, there's a lot of construction, which originally I was gonna, oh, they got pizza here. Pizza, all right. Oh, okay, thank you. I didn't know they had pizza there. Okay. Okay, so the rain is fading away. And you're also getting an idea of what this street looks like as well. A little bit of a chaotic one, but I also want to film it exactly as it is. Even the chaos part, I want to film the chaos part just as much as I film anything else. Yeah, this street will be different in the future, so I think it's going to be for the better, because the train line is being built one street over, and the waterfront is right over there. So once that's built, this whole street will transform, and it could be quite beautiful. Just have no idea yet. And you do have all these nice guards. Actually, if they put like black and white tiles and spread out the sidewalk a little bit more, it could be amazing. Then you also got all these little alleys everywhere as well. So yeah, we'll see the future of the street. But I like the architecture. Oh man. So this is going to go up to Sunset Park, and then this video is going to end, this street is going to end the video. So okay. So we'll see what this looks like in the future. So right now it's 2024, and this will probably transform this whole neighborhood, because the train line is going right there. Oh man. I don't know how this video will come out, because it's raining, it's dark, and it's a little bit chaotic. But it does capture. This is Kai Street. I filmed this recently. Okay, so we're going to navigate through here. Also filmed this street recently too. This is Francisco Antonio Street. And we're going to come out to the end in a moment. Almirante Sérgio Avenue. And it comes out to Sunset Park. And then over there you can see all the construction they're building for this train line. So it's going to come through, it's going to go down that street, this parallel street like that. And our street is parallel with it. And so that's actually where we're going to end our video, right up here. Oh yeah. That's Sunset Park. So I think they'll also have a train line at this spot as well. So let's just end it. Whew. A little bit of a chaotic stretch there. Almirante Sérgio 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.